Now then everybody, and welcome back. I am Tom the Big Little Farmer. Today we are stock judging at my family farm at Liska. It's the Lancashire Holstein Club's event. They do it every year. 2 farms. Last week we was at one, this week it's our family. So I've just been at a NFU meeting today up at Chorley. You get out at sun. But Helen Drinkall's farm with Ollie and Charlotte and Joel Seals. So a really good day. I've come straight there. Georgia milk this afternoon for me. So we'll go and have a nosy around and see what we can see. I'm leading cows round, so George will probably do some filming and we'll put it all in the video at the end. So don't forget, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button as well. So we'll go and have a nosy.
It looks better, doesn't it?
It looks good.
So you've been to uni for that?
Cows are tied up. Names, classifications. This is the next class. Let's go. Put her on that. Atwood Gem Molly, we've got Gem Mollies. Family we took. Another Doc Gem Molly. Another Doc Gem Molly. Finesse we've got. More Gem Mollies, Marissa, Sonia's, Ruth, Trudy and a Sweet. We've all got on I'm letter E, so we've A, B, C, D, E and F. That's the order we walk in. We walk around in a circle, and that represents the cow you're showing. So everyone judges that, and we'll put down which they think is the best.
It's over here at the moment for using it.
So this is the ring, set up in yard with straw around it. And so you've got age boards, so where to stand. Different age at judges, but people don't take a lot of notice. You see, Parkinson's Liska Bank. So these are all the trophies. So the John Lomax trophy, Ingleview trophy, that one. Little ones. This is the Liska Bank trophy, presented by our family. Well, the winning gentleman in the adult judging competition, that one. That's a Reasons Presentation Shield. Presented by John Loftus, Wheaton Herd. He's no longer milking cows anymore, isn't John? What names of people that have won it. So, what's that one? Breeder. So there's a nice display of trophies there they'll be giving out after the final class when they give all the awards out. So I've just come out of the building now, so have a nosy around Corbs. There's a red and white one. Looks like you're getting a bit of scours. But they look quite happy, don't they? There's people turning up slowly now. Boss is here now. Gone neat for a job anyway.
Alan's on this one there.
Hosting this and putting these cows as they are. Really appreciate all the hard work that's gone into it. The first class this evening is a class of milking heifers, and the second class is a class of second calvers, and the third is a mixed group, and third class big calvers who will say when they come in the ring. So without further ado, I'll leave you to it, and we'll crack on with the judging. Thank you.
Don't want to move.
How is up? How is up now, Mummy? How is up there?
Just careful, because if a cow comes over, it'll get you.
I'm ready to pull him down.
You'd run off.
If a cow comes, do you want to kneel down? The cows like to jump. If it jumps, you have to shoot it. Kneel down. You've got to kneel on the ground. Not on the bum. I've got you for you.
I'm just going around it ring now.
This class off with just great correctness and balance and dairy strength throughout. She was great through the front 10, great width and strength, super top line into a fantastic rump structure. She carried herself around with just great ease, fantastic legs and feet, and had a tremendous udder throughout, with great strength through the fore udder, great height through the rear udder, and 4 well placed and good quality tees. Just giving her the advantage on my second, just for that extra levelness through the udder floor, just a little bit nicer through those legs and feet, but a really close place. Another super cow in second, really correct throughout, nice and square through the rump, level over the top with great capacity and depth and spring of rib, with another super udder. Just giving her the advantage over my third, just for that extra
I'm third in this class.
through the rear udder, that just a little bit nicer through the teat placement. And just extra strength over the top and through the front end. My third over my fourth, just really another super cow with great capacity, just giving her the advantage for that extra strength through the fore udder, just a little bit nicer through the rump and throughout.
class now. Senior cow class. Got the Bertha. We have Berthas as well. Come from here. The master judge has made his decision now, which is the best one in the class, I think, according to him. Just walking around one last time. It's done. Just finished now. Cows are all back. Fair time. So they're going to milk now. Zach's driving them all on, aren't you? So they'll take halters off them and find their own way around. Is that it? Is there any more? One more, yeah. Go on, lass. I think they'd be galloping to the parlour, wouldn't you? Yeah. Yeah, they milk 3 times a day here at Family Farm. So these haven't been milked since this morning, so there's a lot of milk on the bags, as you can tell. So let's come for an Old Zinc parlour. There's a high yielders now coming in. Yeah, 2 buildings, you've high yielders at that side, and low yielders going this side. So the milking lows first. Job's a good one.
Good evening, everybody. This is why you should give your reasons on the microphone when the cows are there, because when they've gone, it's extremely difficult. Don't actually think there's my order written down. The order for the final class was C, F, A, B, E, D. I led the class off with a tremendous black cow at the top of the class. Absolutely outstanding udder, tremendous legs and feet, balance overall, and real dariness. But it's that wide, high, tremendously veiny udder that gave the advantage over the super fresh third calf cow in second place. This cow was only 9 days calved. She's long, she's useful, tremendous square cow, great legs and feet, an outstanding forward attachment. It's that forward attachment gave the advantage over the useful, long-lasting fourth calf. This was a really well-admired cow. Everybody liked the fourth calf cow in the class, and I couldn't disagree. She's another outstanding, hard-wearing cow, and that youthfulness gave the advantage over the older cow that we had in fourth place. Fifth calf cow, real hard wearing, great legs and feet, and it's a locomotion that gave advantage over the fifth place cow. 5th over 6th was just the rump structure. I preferred the setting of a pin than a hook one. It's been an absolute pleasure judging. I'd encourage anybody else that gets the opportunity to stand in the class, because it isn't until you stand there that you realise that 80% of people here are a better judge than I am, and the other 20% think they are. So it's really is a heartwarming thing to do. But really, it's been an absolute pleasure, and I've thoroughly enjoyed it. So thank you very much.
Thanks, Tom.
Got a shared one for this. They've got to share it. Sam Blees and Rosie Dennison. Come on, Rosie. There is a trophy this time, Rosie. Right, now we've got the Bill Sutcliffe Trophy now, the 27 to 29. Yeah, 27 to 29, and that's Will Booth. The Lister Bank Trophy, and this is to the older men, and it'll be won by Mark Atkinson.
Well done.
Move on now to the linear trophies. The Ingleby trophy for the 14 years at Enders goes to Katie Hurd. Oh yes, she does. And the Lancashire Club trophy for the 15 to 20 linear, Thomas Hurd. Yeah. And then we go to the Bonds trophy for the 21 to 26, Rosie Edison. And the John Loftus trophy for the Open Race and Giving goes to Sam Blease. Well done. Congratulations to all you prize winners. And would it be good enough to just come this way and then we can take a photograph to go in the journal, please? Thank you.
So I'm just walking back to the car now. Really good night judging cows. Everyone's saying how good the cows looked. So they're an absolute credit to my cousin and my uncle and my dad who've bred all them. So anyway, I'm about to get in the car now. If I open it. So yeah, don't forget, like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Cheers everybody, bye.